Tired of manual hard facing? And want to save time and reduce strain on your welders? Here is a quick and simple guide on setting up hard-facing welding with SmoothTool. Step 1. Choose welding type. For this guide, we will use surfacing. We will choose flat as our option and hit confirm. Step 2. Set outline for welding. Press the button that is flashing blue to set an outline point. Step 3. Adjust parameters. Adjust the parameters to your preference so they align with your project. Step 4. Start the robot. This method will save your time and effort while ensuring a more precise result. Learn more at smoothrobotics.com.